Hello again. Today I'm going to solve this inequality and graph it on a line. So let's say I have x plus 7 is less than or equal to 2. Well, I want to solve for x. So it means I want x to be by itself. So what I'll do is I'll subtract 7. These 7's cancel and I'm left with x is less than or equal to negative 5. Well, the way you graph that on a number line, draw your number line. You make your open bubble first, where your value is going to start here at negative 5. Then over here I'll have negative 6, negative 7. Over here I have negative 4 and negative 3. And because it's underlined, I'm actually going to fill in the bubble. Okay? I will fill in the bubble. And the arrow is pointing to the left, which is less than. So all the numbers that are less than negative 5 go this direction. And then I'll put an arrow on it to show that it goes on forever. And that's how you graph x is less than or equal to negative 5, which is the solution for our inequality. So let's say we have 6 minus x is less than or equal to negative 9. Well, I want to solve and graph this inequality. So I want to move that 6 because I want the x to be by itself. So I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides, leaving me with negative x is less than or equal to 3. Well, I want to get x by itself, so I need to divide both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 1 to get rid of that negative sign. Okay, so now I'm left with x on this side and negative 3 on this side. But because I divided by that negative 1 on both sides, it's going to switch the direction of our inequality symbol so that it's no longer a less than symbol, but a greater than or equal to symbol. All right, so I will graph that on my number line. I will make my bubble. All right, now because it is underlined, that means it's equal to as well. So I can fill in my bubble, and that bubble will be at negative 3. On the left, I will do negative 4 and negative 5. And on the right, I will do negative 2 and negative 1, just to show that I know where it is on the number line. And now it is numbers that are greater than negative 3. So that'll be heading to the right. The greater than numbers are heading to the right. If you'll notice, it kind of looks like an arrowhead pointing in that direction. So I will add an arrow to the end of my line to show that it goes on forever. And that's how you graph x is greater than or equal to negative 3, which is the solution of 6 minus x is less than or equal to 9.